In this video, we will go from this to this. Okay, so today I'll be ripping up this carpet and replacing it with a wood laminate flooring. And I actually happen to have some down here in my living area. So hopefully it'll look something like this once I get it done. So my first step, of course, is going to be to rip up this carpet right here and get rid of it. Then we got to pull the baseboards off and trim the door jambs so the flooring will fit underneath it. I have a really neat tool that I can use for that, and I will also create a video with that in it as well. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and rip out this carpet, and you guys really don't need to see that. So through the magic of video, it'll be poof, the carpet's gone. So here's the carpet almost up. Had to pull it off from the stairs right here. Got a little doorway, and we're almost done with that part. Okay, so got most of the carpet up. Got to get this fun stuff up too, and the tack strips. Who's visiting? Carpet's up, tack strips are up. Now I got to deal with all these staples, and after that's done, I'll sweep it, pop these guys off too, sweep it again because I shouldn't have swept it until I got these off, and then move it along. Alright, so I'm going to cut the baseboard with the multi-tool. Use the flooring as to measure with. Put that right up there and let's see what happens. Fudge.
Call me cute, huh?
Okay, got the carpet up. Tools you'll need to do this, do the flooring, is hammer. That's good to have. This right here, which is used to maneuver the pieces around with, and of course a pencil, hopefully one that's sharpened, to mark everything with. And one extra tool that I always use, piece of scrap. We can pop this in here. We can pop this in here and then use that to hammer against so we don't damage any of these boards. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. So the first piece is the most important piece. Make sure it's good and square. In this case, I put a piece of trim down here for the stair step to keep that even. And this piece right here will go underneath the baseboard. I didn't remove this one because I can just tuck it up underneath it. The other baseboards are done. So cut this edge and then cut this edge as well. That's recommended. Place it up just a little bit underneath there. And you want to stagger them. So like the next one, I'll just cut in half to put here. And then we'll just run the flooring on out. So let's get going. I didn't do it. Huh? Nah, I didn't do it. From this to this. That's what it looks like now. Pretty simple project and quite a nice result from it. So there you go. By the way, my next project, getting rid of that ugly carpet on the stairs. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.